Well, how are you getting on? Welcome to Isfahan here in Iran, where I'm climbing up a mountain. It's called Sofeh. Can't pronounce it properly, know nothing about it right now, but as we learn on the way up, I'll tell you. I'm with a few other people here, so let's go. If you enjoyed the video, give one of them and subscribe. What are you waiting for?
Volleyball is a big thing in Iran. Martial arts, wrestling, volleyball. We rockin' those. We're on Sofeh Mountain. We're here with a couple friends. We're gonna go all the way to the top. We're gonna enjoy the view from there.
Sonia, how are you feeling?
So good! I'm so excited to climb, to hike up this mountain.
Just enjoying life, going up here on this beautiful day, good company.
It doesn't require a lot of climbing, doesn't require hiking. All you have to do is just walk and follow the path.
Making good progress here in the mountain. Tiring out, it's very tiring, but it's hot, it's sweaty. You're not allowed to wear shorts here, but we're getting on with it, and the view is amazing right now.
She was one of my students that I taught, I think like a year ago, 2 years ago.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you, nice to see you.
You taught her very well, she speaks very good English.
She knew exactly what she was doing before she signed up.
Hey, Lichula.
So I just figured out there's a cable car going up the mountain, and I'm really asking myself, why are we so stupid walking up here
Magnus,
if we can take modern technology to go up there
you don't have
without
any
losing
idea.
a little sweat?
You have no idea what you're talking about. You don't get to call the shots here. This is an abomination on this beautiful landscape. And we shall walk like normal people.
Sonia, you wanna weigh in?
Totally agree. We should just walk and enjoy walking. Come on.
You see that little mountain right there? It looks like a big nipple. That mountain is actually one of my favorite ones. It's called Kolaghazi, meaning the judge's hat. Because back before, you know, big old hats got popular in Europe, we had them. They were like yay big and like, you know, a big like funnel. And yeah, that's what that represents.
So we seem to be going down now. The terrain is getting quite treacherous, quite slippy. Glad to have the good footwear. So going down, and then I guess hopefully we'll be coming back up. Yeah.
Baby, are you down, 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 yeah, yeah.
Getting steep now.
Basically from now on, if you take your hijab off, it's okay. Hey baby, look right above us, guys. These crevices and these little holes are made from watermarks. Okay? And by watermarks, I don't mean rain. I mean like a full-blown ocean. Millions of years ago, this used to be an ocean bed. We're gonna find seashells at the very, very top of this mountain. Yep. Fossilized seashells. Yep. This is a piece of coral. It's a piece of fossilized coral that we found at the very top of the mountain. So right here, we're on top of the whole city, and we find a fossilized piece of coral. That should tell you something.
Irland. Tu خسته
Hello. So you can see there's a very nice iron vein in the middle of this from all the redness, and you can see the calcite crystals from the salt deposits from what was remaining of the water when it was here. So, you know, it's kind of cool up here. You can find all sorts of different attractions all the way at the top.
No! Stop doing this.
What's wrong?
It's a piece of history. You can't just throw it down.
Give us a break, Sonia, will you?
Come on.
This is slippy as hell here. So as you can probably see, Amir fancies himself as a bit of a geologist. I don't know if he's qualified, I don't know if he has any certification to his name. So take everything he says with a pinch of salt. Ah! Woo! So we made it to the top. Excuse the cake all over my face. I scoffed the snacks that Amir gave us. It was a good climb. Guys, any thoughts?
Worth the energy.
And scary at the same time.
Scary.
Right
Yeah.
now we're right next to near death. No, we're right next to sudden death. Yeah.
It's cool.
I think it's unbelievable, and the view is also very nice. Good case. It's a nice feeling inside. There's a hazelnut.
Ja,
Das ist gut.
Das ist sehr gut.
ja.
My wife called me.
Don't answer.
No. She killed me. Hello.
Salam. Khubi.
That was a short conversation with the wife.
He already knows his fate.
Called me. Don't marry it. الو سلام خوبی عزیزم
کجایی؟
Are you okay my dear? What do you want from me? کجایی چه خبر خوبی؟
Tell her we said hi.
Ducking in here a bit, trying to shelter. It's unbelievably windy on the way down and it's freezing. Can barely feel my hands.
Fell on my ass, and this was in my ass pocket. Yep.
And you know, on the way up you sweat a lot. That sweat then gets cold when the wind blows on it. And now I'm cold. On the way up I was unbelievably hot. Didn't think I'd be putting this jumper on, but look, now it's on.
Dodo, خسته
Okay guys, so we're almost back down the bottom, so I'm going to end the video now. Amir, any thoughts?
It was awesome. I recommend anybody who comes to Isfahan to take at least a couple of hours, get to see the city from the highest point possible, and you won't regret it at all. It's amazing.
And Amir is also the co-founder of a travel company, Tap Persians, that I've been working with here. So make sure to check out them. Their link is in the description below. Make sure to subscribe, give the video a like, let me know what you thought in the comment section, and we'll see you in the next one real soon. Good luck.